Hello, April 16. It's a bit seagully. No, but we are here by the Red Bridge in Alcudia, Playa. Look, the fishes are there. Look, and that's the jetty. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Yes, it's a bit cold, windy, 14 degrees. People are playing volleyball there. And on this side is King. Hi, King. Hi, Gentle. Yeah, this is the Red Bridge. And over this side is the inlet that goes to the other side there. In Alcudia. There, look, that goes there. The water's so clean. It's cold today, windy. So we're gonna go. We're not gonna go there to Can Pick a Fort. We are gonna go on the other side to the port over there. Oh, the sun's coming out. Alright, we're gonna walk to the other side. King, Gentle, I'll see you in a bit, sweetie. See you in a bit. Oh, the sun is coming out.